Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to withdraw money from your Paxful wallet in 2025. Whether you've sold a crypto or just need cash from your wallet balance, I'll walk you through the smoothest and safest steps. So, first thing first, log into your Paxful account on the website or mobile app. From your dashboard, go to the wallet section and select the currency you want to withdraw, like USD or Euro. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method. Paxful usually offers options like bank transfer, PayPal, or even gift cards depending on where you're located. If you haven't added a payout method yet, you will need to link it, whether that's to your bank account or a PayPal email. Make sure your payout details are accurate to avoid delays or issues. Once that's set, enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Packful may charge a small fee depending on your method. After confirming your request, we'll go through their processing system. Bank transfer typically take 1 to 3 business days, while PayPal is usually faster. Keep an eye on your email or app notification for updates. If anything goes wrong, like a delay or failed transaction, you can check the transaction history and see details under your wallet app. And if you still need help, Paxful support teams can dive into your account and help to resolve it. So in short, log in, pick your wallet and withdrawal method, link your payout details if needed, enter the amount and confirm. Then just wait a bit for the funds to arrive. Thanks for watching. FTCL, smoothly withdraw your friends from Paxful. Be sure to like, drop your questions below, and subscribe for more crypto and tech guides. Catch you in the next video.